conducted role play of Wondrous Woman.
Hi friends, I am Mahatma Gandhi. My aunt born October 2nd, 1869. Independence Day 1947.
Hi friends, how are you? I am Mother Teresa. I have born on August 26, 1910. Let's all be thankful to God for His mercy. I see God in every human being. Service to human is service to God. Helping hands are better than praying lips. So my dear children, serve the needy in service alone. You find true happiness. God bless you.
Hello friends, do you know me? I am Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman who travelled in space. I was very excited to view the beautiful blue earth from space. Travelling in space is a wonderful experience. I believe in one thing, nothing is impossible if you have a strong faith. So, thank you friends. Hello, this is Shakuntala Devi. I love mathematics. I play with numbers. My logical thinking commitment. So my dear children, put your effort to be successful in your life. Wish you good luck.
Hi friends, how are you? Myself, I am MS Subbulakshmi. Music is a special gift. Music enters human beings as well as animals. I can say that music is magic. But one has to put a lot of practice and effort. As you know, practice makes person perfect. So children, keep on practicing. One day you will become perfect. Bhaja Govinda.
Hi friends, I am Andy Krishnamurthy. Hi friends, dear, I am Andy Krishnamurthy. I am dance, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. Hello friends, this is Sarojini Naidu. Writing poetry is my hobby. People call me the Ivy of India.
చూశారు కదా, మన ప్రభుత్వ పాఠశాలలో కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం పెట్టడం, రోల్ ప్లే వంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ పిల్లలు చాలా చక్కగా చేయడం మనం చూడొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.